A car was seen driving around a California shopping center after hours. The vehicle backed into a parking spot. Two individuals exited the car and approached the storefront. A stealth monitoring security operator was watching, sounded the on-site speaker warning, and immediately contacted the police. The suspects re-entered their car and drove off. They didn't go very far, however, and returned to the storefront. This time, 3 individuals got out of the car carrying plastic bags and a sledgehammer. One managed to shatter a glass door and enter the store. A second perpetrator tried to break a window next door, but police had arrived on the property. The 3 jumped back into their car and sped off. Responding officers raced off behind them.